Hello, my name is Kelly Hicks and welcome to my log cabin video. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. I've got a lot of log cabin videos. It's a 39 ND. Suggested list is 73 and some change, and she is a beauty. It's one of my favorite trailers that I've ever had or ever been in. I may just have to keep this one for myself. Check this loft out. Such a nice big loft. Wouldn't your kids love to play up there? Smells good in here. Cedar inside and out. Here's our kitchen. Nice big kitchen. I got my fisheye lens cooking so we can look in the bathroom. Got a house type rear entry door. Bedroom. Queen bed. Ceiling fan. No loft overhead, so you won't hear the rugrats stomping around when you're trying to sleep. Okay, so let's check out the bedroom. Should have enough light in here for my GoPro. You've got a linen closet, tub and shower surround, and there is the vanity and sink, medicine cabinet. I apologize, I see that you can't see that too well. Anyhow, it's a nice bathroom. Got plenty of videos and pictures of this trailer. So all we're going to do is say thanks for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day. This is a Forest River Cabin 39 ND.